Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the retouch option in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open your app. Now you have to select a project that you would like to edit, or you can start a new one if you click on that plus icon, and here you have to select from your gallery. I'm going to use this photo, and now you have to click on the edit option, which is on the bottom of the screen. First option, scroll to the right until you see the retouch option. Click on it, and here there is the face effect. Let's see. And here are a lot of things like the even, which is for pro users, but you can see that there are free options as well, like the smooth. You can smooth the skin color, brighten, whitey, smile lines, dark cycles, which are, you can see, the pro ones. Then the reshape, thin face, cheekbone, and so on. You can see for the eyes, nose, mouth, eyebrows, so a lot of things. Then makeup. Then here the manual option. And if you go back, okay, reset, done, and you can see the body option. And when you have a photo where the body is seen, here it's not, but of course you can do that. And you can see the pro options: slim arms, beautiful neck, so on. Then there are the free ones: legs, slim waist, head, smooth, brighten, and the manual option. Here you can do it yourself. And that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.